Guys, let's be real. Most of us use ChatGPT for random stuff like write me a poem or to generate some Ghibli style images. But today I'm going to show you two of the best ways to use ChatGPT that actually save me a ton of time. So guys, before starting the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome content on SaaS and AI tools. Alright guys, let's talk about something every creator and brand struggles with, which is social media content. What should I post today? What if people don't like it? Is this even good enough? And before you know it, yes, you have wasted half the day stressing over a single post, guys. And that's why the first use case of ChatGPT for social media I'm going to show you is creating a content calendar. So I'm going to create a 30-day content calendar using ChatGPT over here, and just with the right prompt, ChatGPT will generate a full calendar for any niche: e-commerce, fitness, fashion, AI, you name it. Now I told ChatGPT to give me a balanced mix of content based on the niche I have chosen for this example, which is e-commerce, and you can do the same for any niche. So it will have educational posts, trends and tips, storytelling, call to action, and promotion. So you can add or remove anything you want in this prompt, just tweak it accordingly. So here's how I did it. I asked ChatGPT to give me a 30-day content calendar focused on the e-commerce niche, and then I told it to include content for platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts. I have added multiple platforms. You can choose to use just one, like Instagram. I said that my content should aim for these 4 main goals, which is awareness, engagement, trust building, and conversion. You can aim for any content intent you like. For example, entertainment, problem solving, it's totally up to you how you use it. I even asked it to include hashtags. So now what I'm going to do is copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. There you go. Alright, my 30-day content plan is ready. Let's take a look at what it came up with. So day 1, meet the maker. So format is Instagram Reel, TikTok, intent, trust building. So the goal here is trust building. So we are starting with telling the story behind the brand, how it started, the mission, the passion. It's like introducing yourself and your brand. Perfect first impression. Day 2, okay, our top selling product and why customers loves it. Bestseller, customer fave, e-commerce find. Okay, so here we are like highlighting the best selling product, why it's popular, what problem it solves, and why people loves it. Day 3, packaging process, a peek behind scenes. Whoa, so it's like a great mix of engagement and trust building also, I think. So like showing them like the packaging process, messy desk, the real stuff. It makes the brand feel more human. FAQ Friday, okay, great one. Instagram post, tweet thread. Okay, so like I have added multiple socials in the prompt. Like maybe you want to grow in every platform, or you can just go with one, like Instagram. So user generated content showcase, product feature, what's in the box, Sunday story, tip twist, how to use our product. Okay, this one is a good post, like product uses and hacks. So you're not just promoting a product or selling a product, like you're educating your audience on the best ways to use it, providing real value. Social proofs, snapshot, limited time offer. Okay, this one is good. Limited time offer. Okay, conversion, Instagram story, 48 hours only, get 20% off, flash sale, shop now, D2C deals. So this is where you create like urgency and drive conversions. It's like simple, clear, effective. And now if you want to try this yourself, here's the exact prompt that I have used. But remember, make it yours. Most importantly, define your goals clearly. So the more specific and detailed you are with ChatGPT, the better and more personalized your results will be. Alright, now it's time for some deep research. It's something powerful, something that can literally save hours of manual work. I will show you how can you use this feature for yourself. But first, let's break down what exactly is deep research. So here's the official introduction page of OpenAI's deep research. So basically, deep research is built to do in-depth research, analyze and synthesize from multiple sources across the internet, text, images, and even PDFs. Basically, we give it a prompt and it does the thinking and it brings back a clear, detailed report. So I don't have to open 25 tabs, multiple websites to get the information I need. Like this can save hours actually. Now, if you scroll a little bit, you'll see the difference between two models, which is GPT-4o and deep research. I can scroll over here, I can see the differences. What deep research does is it gives well documented responses, like complete with sources, summaries, and even breakdown of its own like thought process or something. Now if I scroll further, so according to this OpenAI's introduction page, deep research actually scores 26 98.6% accuracy on humanity's last exam, which is the highest score among all these models. Like this benchmark is designed to test the capabilities of AI model. It consists of like 3,000 questions across like 100 of different subjects, and let me show you how hard the questions are. So this question is about an ancient Roman tombstone, and the model is asked to translate the Palmyrene script carved into it. So these are tough academic level prompts. So they have like questions from ecology, mathematics, then they have computer science, chemistry, linguistics, physics. They have so many different subjects. Now, before we jump into how to use this feature, this was only available for paid users before, but now free users will get up to 5 queries per month, and teams will get up to 25 queries per month, and the pro users will get like 250 queries. Remember the example we used earlier to create a content calendar? We were into e-commerce and our product was a video game joystick controller. But this time I want deep research to do the market research, competitive analysis, user understanding, like what people are asking in forums, or what their real problems are, their pain points, what people need actually, and all that thing. So like I generated this prompt using ChatGPT only, specifying my goal and product. Now let's use this in deep research. So to access deep research, you need to click on tools, and here it is, run deep research. Let's click on it. So now you can see deep research is running, and I just have to paste my prompt here. But I'm just gonna create a new chat and then click on deep research and paste the prompt. Let's run it. Deep research just gave me a follow-up questions that I can answer. To make sure I cover everything you're looking for, could you please confirm a few details? So for the first question, I'm going for normal joystick for PC and console. So I'm just gonna hit enter. So one more thing, deep research can take longer than other GPT models. The more time it takes, the better the result will be. So it already completed 10 sources, you can see. So guys, I will wait until the process is finished, and I will see you when it's ready. Alright guys, ChatGPT came up with this research. Let's see how deep it is. So guys, the heading is 2025 Global Wireless Joystick Controllers Market. So guys, here it is talking about the classic arcade style joystick we all used to play with as kids. But here's the surprise, it says the arcade joystick market is still alive and valued at $170 million in 2025. It even gave me the sources so I can double check and verify the data myself. So as part of the results, it's not just giving me text, it is actually providing website links and even forum links. So here's one from Reddit. For example, let's check it out. Alright, so this Reddit post talks about EVO 2024. It's one of the esport event. Discussion here is all about the top controller used at EVO, like different gamepads, then arcade sticks that pro player rely on during tournaments. So let's go back. When it comes to design, I found some really solid insight that could make a big difference. So like lighter material for better handling, like textured grips on the palms for extra comfort, then USB-C charging, batteries that can last up to 30 plus hours. Now that I have all these ideas, I can dive even deeper and do focused research on each one to define the perfect design. Now let's check out the top brands. So it hasn't just listed the brand names, it also explained why they are famous and what makes them stand out. For example, Razer, known for high-end fight sticks, then Hori, like long-time arcade stick specialist, Mad Catz, legacy fight stick maker, and an 8-bit Do, newer brand famous for retro wireless controller. Honestly, this is some seriously in-depth info. I don't know half of this thing. I'm learning all these things for the first time. So now according to the source, Razer, Hori, Mad Catz like together make up to 40% of the joystick market. Though I realize now I mentioned joystick in my prompt, so it's giving me insights on all kind of joysticks, gamepad, controllers, arcade sticks. These are the pain points, the real problems people are facing with current product. This can help me build a better product that can actually solve these issues. For pain points, I would love to see even more forum sources, what people are really talking about. I guess next time I have to add that in my prompt. I'll keep bringing you more awesome videos on AI SaaS tools, so make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps a new channel like mine grow, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.